Yes, chef.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we will be making crispy chicken tender sandwich. For this recipe, you need chicken breast, French baguette, flour, vegetable oil, lettuce, egg, onion, salt, baking soda, mustard, chili powder, paprika, tarragon, pepper, tomato, lemon, cheese, cooking oil, and cold water. Check the link to a downloadable recipe card in the description below. Start by slicing the chicken breast into strips. Lay it in a clean bowl. Add salt, and pour cold water to brine. Seal and store in the fridge for an hour. Meanwhile, we can make our mayonnaise by squeezing of lemon to take the juice. Place an egg yolk in a clean, dry bowl. Whisk for 2 minutes. Add mustard. Add lemon juice and salt. In the mixture, gradually add the vegetable oil until its emulsify and perfect consistency is reached. Place it in separate bowl. Seal and refrigerate to maintain its freshness. After brining the chicken, remove from water. Blot the meat with kitchen towel. Add pepper, salt, chili powder, add paprika, some tarragon, and mix. Add the baking soda to flour and mix. Coat the chicken with mixture. In the hot pan, pour the cooking oil. Fry the chicken strips till brown and crispy. Set aside when it's done. Now it's time to slice tomato in 4 slices. Onion into rings. And slice the bread lengthwise without separating. Spread the homemade mayonnaise on both sides. Layer the lettuce, sliced tomatoes, onion rings, add the crispy chicken tender, and top it with cheese. And that's how I make my crispy chicken tender sandwich.